Here are 11 top tips on how to use Google Ads audiences. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I will give you some top tips to get the most out of Google Ads new audiences. Audiences were introduced to search ads over 7 years ago and have been improved a lot since then. Here are the 11 different audiences you can use in Google Ads. Audience Insights. When you start to plan your Google Ads campaign, have a look through your audience insights for previous ads. You will be able to learn who you are already reaching or who you may wish to target. Observation. Make sure that you initiate the observation setting when you apply audiences to your search. Start by adding in the types of audience that you think you might be interested in attracting, and then watch the metrics to find out more. Audiences. Start by looking at the most relevant audiences for your campaign. Look at the first 2 or 3 impactful categories and expand on those only once you can be sure that they are effective. Campaign. At the campaign level, you can apply audiences to help you get the coverage that you're looking for. Smart bidding. If you have chosen to use smart bidding in your Google ad campaign, don't worry about adjusting the bids. Those signals are already integrated into the auction time bids. Manual bidding. For those of you not using smart bidding, you can adjust the bids according to the differences in performance. Affinity audience. When it comes to affinity audience, make sure that you keep an open mind. Affinity audiences can be used by types of industries who may have written off targeting a specific audience, such as healthcare, financial, and religious advertisers. Seasonal event audiences. If you are looking at seasonal event audiences, make sure that you budget for increases or reductions in audience size. By their very nature, seasonal audiences are going to be active at certain times of the year, such as Black Friday. Similar audiences. For similar audiences, look first at your original customer match list, also known as the seed list. This will help you to get comparative insights about your Google Ads campaign alongside the scale of your similar audiences. Customer match. Keep the long-term goals in mind. Customer match statistics allow you to compare against similar audiences over longer periods to identify higher value signals. Review and update. Review and update your seed list regularly. Your customer match list will remain the same, so it is possible that you may want to remove audiences that you are not interested in reaching anymore. Constantly refining your list will allow you to adjust according to customers that have recently converted in some of your higher quality products. Hope you like this video. If you have some other tips, I would love to hear them, and feel free to put them in the comment box below. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.